Hey, I'm Heather DeNaro, and you're watching The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
So today we're here in the fantastic Fanning Bayou community. It's a wonderful new community that boasts spacious living. You know, nowadays when you've got new homes, they're side by side and right on top of each other. This community is found north of Panama City, and it offers much more wide open spaces. And isn't this resort style pool fantastic? Today's show features a 4-bed, 3-bath home, 2,400 square feet for just above $400,000. It's beautiful. The finishes are exactly what you're looking for in a modern open space home. The backyard is beautiful. You've got a little porch to sit on and enjoy the Florida outside. And you're just overlooking a preserve, so you're not even looking at a neighbor or a fence. It's just beautiful, luscious green. If this home interests you, then look at the description below. Check out the MLS posting about it for more details, and let us know. Don't forget to ring that bell and click subscribe so you know when the next video is coming out. I'll talk to you later.